Hey guys, my name's Laura and I'm a group leader at Intro Travel. I hope you are all staying safe and healthy back home in these current times. I'm just going to give you a quick little recipe to make a smoothie bowl. I know some of you probably think that that is just a tropical thing you'll have on holiday, but at least you can bring some of those Bali vibes back to wherever you may be in the world. So I'm just going to start by showing you the ingredients. So the first bit is for the base of the smoothie bowl. We have some frozen bananas. We have some frozen mango. We use it frozen just because it will make the mixture a little bit thicker. And then we also have some dragon fruit as well. And then on this side we have our little decoration bits and bobs. So we've got some granola, we have some coconut chips, and we have a cute little flower. I'm sure you may not have these in your back garden, but just go and grab whatever you fancy. And then we've also got some mango, but you can kind of do whatever you fancy on the top, just get creative with it. So the first thing you need is a blender. And so we're just going to start putting the ingredients in there. So that's our bananas first. I've got 3.5 bananas because they're only little ones, so just use your judgment depending on how big your banana is. And then I've got half a frozen mango, so just pop that in as well. There we go, nice and neat. And then we'll just add a little bit of dragon fruit as well. So I'm just going to cut into the middle, lovely pink colour here. Just put a little bit of a scoop in of this, just because it is a little bit more watery and we want to make this a bit thicker if we can. And pop that in. And because the fruit's frozen, it means we don't need to add ice as well. First of all, blender on, and then we'll just turn it on for a little bit. Or not maybe, but that's fine. We'll just readjust and roll with it. No worries. That's exactly what was meant to happen. So I just turned it onto the timer for 1 minute. But just until it's kind of started to blend, you don't want to over blend it. We'll whack a bit of the pulse on, and then we'll just have a look and see what the consistency is like. If I can get the lid off the blender. Oh, there we go. So it's a nice pink colour in there, and then we'll just pop it into our smoothie bowl. We've got a nice little coconut shell one that you guys can use, but whatever bowl is fine. Sorry, my guns aren't that strong. There we go. So we'll just smooth that out so it looks pretty. Obviously your food needs to look as good as it tastes. And smooth that round like so. And then it's for the toppings. So we are going to make some little balls out of the dragon fruit. So I've got another one here. So just cut that in half. So it's the white one, so it'll be a nice little contrast. So we've got one of these little watermelon scooper, whatever you want to call it. And then just put that into the watermelon, dragon fruit, sorry. And then you can pop that onto the bowl. If you haven't got one of these at home, that's totally fine. Just use whatever you can. Maybe a spoon will work. It's basically just like a mini ice cream scoop. So hopefully you guys have got one of those. Spin that one round, lovely. And then we can just kind of go with whatever we fancy on here. So I'm going to take one of the mangoes, make sure that it is ripe. Just cut it just down the side, just past one of the stones so you don't get that bit in the middle. Lovely, nice ripe mango for you. And then I'm just going to cut along sideways and make a little crisscross pattern. I will show you in just a moment. Got to go careful with my fingers, I am a little bit clumsy. Happens to the best of us though, doesn't it? And one more cut. So then we've got a little shape like that, and then you just pop it through like so, and we can pop that on the side, just into the bowl. And then we've also got some granola that I'm just going to sprinkle on here. Try not to get some on the counter, but you know. There we go. There we go. And then some coconut chips on it as well. And then finally one of our little flowers. Just pop that in the side. And then we've got our spoon as well for you. There you go. Maybe I should try it actually first. Thumbs up from me. So if you guys make this back at home, please film yourselves or take a photo, and make sure you tag us at Intro Travel, and stay tuned for more content coming your way soon. Thank you. Bye.